Okay, this is the front of Alamander. This is facing down towards the beach. That's the opposite side of the road. Someone getting their fence done and the mountains. And this is facing north, that way. I'm going to walk through the house now. On this side, which I call the blind side of the house, is where the hot westerly sun will be. It's the narrow part of the house. You've got a double carport here, and you've got ample space here to do anything you want if you put in a front fence. The doors here are glass sliding doors. There is no official front door. That is the front of it. If I go over to this far side of the house, there's a double gate here, and you can actually see there's a garage that's about 4 by 6 metres there. Then it's the neighbour. This is all yours, so you can utilise this for parking. You can fence it off. It's got a concrete area here, a little veranda here, and I'm just going to stop the video and start again when I go inside.